Bold women, bold decisions. See her engaged in decision-making processes. This is the place to amplify her voice in decision-making processes. How we will be doing that? We'll be holding conversations with women in leadership, in decision-making processes. We'll be holding conversations that matter, involving women, having discussions with them in their different spaces of work and in different topics, and knowing their input, and also sharing their journeys in leadership. This is the place, one conversation at a time, that we will create a wave of women ready to take up leadership position, because they will see it. They will see that it is doable, and they will get to learn what it takes to be ready to take up leadership positions, to be ready to sit in those decision-making processes to impact change. So subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Coming week, we'll be holding a conversation with amazing women from the African Women Leadership Network, the Young Women Caucus, in their spheres, in their different spheres, in their different spaces, and we will talk to them and know what things they are doing. We'll also be holding conversations on different topics, and the first one we're going to start with is on SRH, that is sexual reproductive health, and data security. So we're going to have a conversation with one amazing lady in the coming week. All I can tell you is she's an advocate and she's very passionate about SRH, sexual reproductive health, and data security. So we will be engaging her. We'll be having 10 minutes with her, 10 powerful minutes, because she's actually one of the people that really pushed me to do this. And I told her, you know what, the minute I kick off, you will be my first guest. So keep it locked for conversations that matter, conversations with her. Every week we'll be having 10 minutes with an amazing, phenomenal woman right here that is impacting change, doing something to change the world, that is in her sphere, that sits on that decision-making table wherever she is. So stay tuned, because right here we're going to create a wave of phenomenal women that will be ready to take up leadership positions, one conversation at a time. So through our conversations, through the women that we will bring here, we are going to ensure that we are empowering her. Her is you and me. Her is that woman out there that is wondering, can I actually do it? What do I bring to the table? Don't worry. Right here, we are going to answer it. And as some of my friends say, if you're not on that table, break that table, my friend, because you're going to sit on those tables. How do we sit on them and bring value to this table? So stay locked, stay tuned. Let's journey together, have amazing conversations with women in different spheres, different talks. Well, if you know me now, I am Geraldine Murray. I am a social economist by profession. I'm a social change maker, and I'm a conversation starter. 1, 2, I'm a very into detail type of person. I like organizing, implementing, and managing things. And I like working with data, truth and facts. Data is my thing. So I like working with data. To that effect, I am currently a student data scientist. You heard that right. And so in the next episode, my first 10 minutes with me, Geraldine Murray, I think I've told you who I am now. I am a social economist by profession. I am a storyteller. I am a conversation starter. And I am a very into detail type of person who likes organizing and who likes working with data guided insights for targeted intervention, because I believe this is how we make impact. So basically that's who I am. And because of that, I'm going to start with my favorite topic, something around data. We're going to have a conversation about data security with one amazing woman, young woman from African Women Leadership Network, OLIN, Young Women Caucus. She's an advocate. We will have a sit down with her. She's also very passionate about sexual reproductive health. You cannot miss out. Remember, bold women, bold decisions. Stay tuned. Do you have any questions around data security? Drop a comment and leave with us, and we will have them answered this week. 10 minutes with me, Geraldine Mary, but also with this amazing woman that I'm going to introduce you to. Food for thought. Just imagine one woman in the creation story, one woman's decision changed the whole world, set up and things. So now imagine what an organized group coming together of women in the decision-making sphere can do. They can bring the change that we want, or maybe correct that change that was made by one woman's decision. So imagine if we came together and we were women that were ready to be decision makers. If you want to find out what that can do, stay tuned, stay locked, subscribe, share with a friend, and don't miss out in the next episode. Leave a comment about data security. What is it that you've always wanted to know? What is it? What questions do you have around data security? Because we'll have that all answered in the next 10 minutes with me, and an amazing, phenomenal woman that I will bring you right here, and you do not want to miss out. So see ya. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your questions around data security involve, because right here we'll be seeing women at the table. This is the table currently of different topics, different things, and conversations that matter, conversations that inspire greatness, as one of my friends called Ruth Ambogo likes to remind us, that you can actually have conversations that inspire greatness. So stay tuned and let me know what you think, and let me know. Ask your questions around data security. We're going to answer in the next episode. Toodles, stay locked. Remember, bold women, bold decisions. See her engaged in decision-making processes right here. Ciao.